do feel like Y2K is sort of evolved, you know. So like, the common like motifs within sort of that Y2K sort of streetwear style that you're referencing, like the common traits within that, I feel like, are definitely like played out. It's like when I see that, I'm just thinking, I'm like, come on, man, like, what I'm saying, like, I mean, it's still cool, but like, it's just like it's been done like so many times that, you know, it's like, there's like, I don't know, it's just kind of everybody can do it, everybody can do it. Everybody's done it. Like if you're anybody that's thought of starting a clothing brand, like has probably done that style before or entertained it in some way, So when I see that, I'm just thinking like, oh, come on, man, like like come on, we gotta try harder.